Okay.
Chris, I have a question.
Yes?
Should there be kids around when you're spraying?
No.
How about staff?
Other staff members could be in the area, but it's best to just, when you're spraying it, let it settle before you walk into the area, so you're not inhaling it.
Is there gonna be so many seconds it settles before they can go in and use that area?
You should be able to see, if it's wet to the touch, you've probably gone too close.
Okay, so it's really gonna be kinda like dry before staff or children go in that
But
area?
yeah,
Okay,
it shouldn't take more than a minute for it to dry.
okay, thank you.